Hey, don't tell anybody, but I just got up. It's around 10:30. Diane's been out there shoveling the drive since 8:30. Don't tell her I just got up. I'll just tell her I was working around in here and didn't see that she was out there. I mean, that's what you do, right? Yeah, I better go help her. So Diane cleared my truck. She cleared my truck of snow for me this morning. But that's all she could reach. We still have our flamingos out. That's right, this is summertime in Minnesota. It's actually March 6th. That's my antenna. That's my digital antenna. The only thing is I gotta get the snow off. I pull in 24 channels with that. That's one of Diane's quilt squares that we have over our door. We have another up north there on my dad's house. She makes and sells those things. Yeah. Well, that's done. Now it's time for some coffee. There's my wife. Hope your morning's as good as ours was.
There's Tony making breakfast, or probably brunch since it's 12:30. You ladies didn't know, and you gentlemen, he is really a good cook. And I really, really appreciate that in him.
And Diane made us boiled eggs. She made these before she went out and shoveled the driveway. Yum, yum, yum.
Oh. There we go. Fogged up the lens there for a minute. Let me zoom in again. Yeah. Looking good.
Happy place? Sad place. It's all gone.